We're visiting Pyron Solar here in San Diego, and no, your eyes are not deceiving you. Those are solar panels sitting in water, and this is the unique technology of Pyron. Tell me why this is a worthwhile concept. I think it's the last thing people would ever think of, solar panels in water. Stephanie, you start.
Yeah, I'm more than happy to. So solar panels floating on water, why do we do that? First of all, this is a concentrated photovoltaic technology. So we concentrate the sunlight. You might know this from your childhood when you used a magnifying glass to set your grandpa's garden on fire. That's what we do. We capture the sunlight and we focus the sunlight to a small pinpoint of light which hits our solar cell, which is a highly efficient multi-junction solar cell.
But why in water?
Why in water? These solar cells, they need to be kept very cool, because the cooler the solar cell, the higher the efficiency. And we are able to keep these cells very cool due to the water, way cooler than any air-cooled system could do. And another very big advantage of the water is that it keeps our system at all times leveled. So it's floating and it levels itself. That means strong winds or earthquakes, they don't really do anything bad to our system because it levels itself. And that's very important for a concentrated system, because we track the sun in two ways. We track the sun during the season, so the whole array behind us here rotates, and we also track the sun from sunrise to sunset. So all these modules here, they tilt during the day.
Yeah, these modules here, you can see them there. They actually will tilt forward and back with the sun, and then the whole thing rotates. So how does this work exactly? It goes through the 360 degrees in the course of a day?
Well, 180 degrees typically. What will happen is the panels will be pointed that direction in the east when the sun rises, and then as the sun comes up from the horizon, the troughs will rotate to follow the sun's rise, and then as the sun sweeps across the sky, the entire circle here will rotate to follow the sun as it rotates around and then finally settles into the west.
And we're looking at, you would really ideally be talking about like 1 megawatt systems that are like 50 times bigger than this. This is a really utility grade play, isn't it, Stephanie?
Yes, it is. It's meant for highly efficient solar farms. So what we see behind us here is a 20 kilowatt system, and it could power in average up to 8 houses. So when we talk about utilities and large commercial installations as our potential customers, then we talk about 1 megawatt, 5 megawatt, 30, up to 100 or more megawatt installations, and that's what this technology is meant for.
Great. Well, thank you very much. This is the technology. We'll get a little closer here. There's actually fish in there. Sharks, I hear. A couple of sharks, right?
Yep, long-fin sharks.
And mosquito-eating fish. Amazing. Pyron Solar here in San Diego, California. Jim Motavalli reporting.